Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by placing the cooler where it can breathe. Leave about 6 to 12 inches of clearance so air flows freely. Next, open the tank and fill to the indicated mark. Add ice or a cooling pack if you want quicker cold air. Once done, plug into a dedicated outlet and set the unit to low fan. Listen briefly for even motor sound and steady airflow. This reveals leaks, loose parts, or immediate electrical issues before you continue to optimize cooling. Now you configure how the cooler delivers air. Choose cool mode for evaporation, fan for plain circulation, and swing to move air across the room. Then set fan speed, start medium to balance noise and cooling, and angle the louvers toward the room center, not directly at walls, to maximize circulation. Once the basics are running, program the timer and any humidity controls. Make adjustments if the room feels clammy. If humidity is high, open a window slightly to allow moisture to escape and maintain efficiency. Finish by setting a maintenance routine. Empty and clean the tank weekly, and change cooling pads as recommended or when mineral deposits appear. If you notice reduced airflow, make sure the pump is working, filters and pads are clean, and vents are free of debris. These issues often cut performance. Finally, if you encounter leaks or strange noises, immediately unplug the unit, tighten visible fittings, and inspect for cracks. If the problem persists, contact qualified service. This keeps the cooler efficient and extends its lifespan.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.